You know, so far, Minister, vaccine supply was tightly regulated because it was largely being administered by the government on the margins by the private sector. Now, private sector's involvement has gone up, which means it's essentially in the hands of doctors. How anxious are you that this could lead to misuse in terms of distribution, that there could be black marketing? What are your plans to try and curb that? Is that something which is of concern to you?
No, I think the system is keeping a close watch on everything. There are detailed guidelines for the states also to monitor things, and even at the district level with our immunization officers and our district magistrates all over the country being in charge of the situation. They have planned things at the local level. So everything is being very well monitored, and I have full faith in the ability and the sincerity of the private sector. They have helped in the fight against COVID all through the year, you see, even for testing and other things. So at a personal level, I am not very apprehensive about the apprehensions that you have raised, but certainly we are going to keep a close watch on everything and will not allow any absurdity of any nature happening in the system, whether in the government or in the private sector.
Achha, one question, Mantriji, this is a slightly personal question. You know, I'm very happy that all the ministers got their vaccines today, the Prime Minister also. Those above 60 are now entitled, those above 45 who have comorbidities are entitled. But जो बाकी लोग देख रहे हैं वो सोच रहे हैं कि हमारा नंबर कब आएगा? So as of now you are saying phase 2 will take 3 months, so we are in March, April, May. When does the rest of the population under 45 without comorbidities, उनका नंबर कब आएगा sir?
You see, what these priorities have been fixed up, they are based on, you see, observations and the data of the last 1 year, not only in India but all across the world, and of course with guidelines which have been framed by the World Health Organization. That is how these priorities have been fixed up. 80% of those who got this morbidity and mortality during COVID, they were all above 50 and all. So it has been, you see, this is guided by a very definite scientific basis. So according to that basis, we are going step by step, and as soon as we proceed further, so depending upon what the scientific needs of the community, less than 45 are, we will do it at the appropriate moment. So everyone has to wait for his or her turn. Like the people who were above 60, they have also waited till March 1 for their turn.
So any thoughts at this moment about the new academic year? I've got young children. We're wondering as a family when they'll be able to go back to school. As India's health minister and as the man responsible for keeping us all healthy and safe, what are your thoughts, Minister, about when children can start going back to school?
You see, personally, I have a feeling that as long as if we can really enforce discipline in the community, or whether it is in schools or whether it is for any other place or function or workplace, in terms of maintaining the sanctity of the COVID appropriate behavior, there is nothing to worry, because we have seen over the last 1 year that for transmission of the COVID virus, you need to be very careless about the COVID appropriate behavior, and if you are careful about it, you can really handle the things very well. So a bit of sincerity on that front, strengthening of the monitoring systems, and wherever we have seen that there is laxity or there is, you see, complacency on the part of the society or the people about following the COVID appropriate behavior, because people think that the vaccines have come, the trend in the country is on the very sharp declining phase, so they can now relax and they can do whatever they want. They need not take the precautions. I think that is something which needs to be reinforced again and again, and this is where I feel that media people and people like you with the very distinguished channel, they can all ensure that this remains a big movement amongst the people of the country.